In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank in FreshBooks with this quick tutorial. Let's dive in, starting with a basic requirement, visiting the FreshBooks website. You can easily find it through a quick Google search or simply typing in the URL myfreshbooks.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the website, you'll want to find the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that, and it'll take you to the login page. Next, enter your account credentials carefully. If you've forgotten your password, there's typically a link provided to help you reset it. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the FreshBooks dashboard. This is your hub for managing all your accounting needs. From there, navigate to the section labeled Bank Connections. It's often found within a menu dedicated to financial or banking tasks. Clicking on it will open up a dedicated space where you can manage existing connections or start fresh. You'll see options to link new bank accounts here. Now, you have two paths to connect your bank. The first option is to select a bank from a list provided by FreshBooks. This list includes many popular financial institutions to simplify the linking process. If you don't see your bank listed, there's no need to worry. You can use the search option to find your specific bank, which is particularly useful for less common financial institutions. Once you've selected or found your bank, FreshBooks may require you to confirm your identity to ensure security. Here, you'll encounter a box asking you to confirm you're not a robot. Simply check the box and you'll be ready to proceed. Continue by following the prompts provided by FreshBooks. They may lead you to your bank's secure webpage where you can log into your bank account. This is where your bank's specific security procedures might come into play. Don't be alarmed if you're asked to verify your identity again. It's all part of the process to keep your information safe. At this point, you'll usually need to enter your card or account details, allowing FreshBooks to securely connect to your bank account. Double check your details to ensure everything is accurate. Once you're sure, you can continue by clicking on Submit. And that's it. You've successfully added a bank in FreshBooks. You'll now see your financial data imported into your dashboard, making it easier to track expenses, manage cash flow, and keep accurate records for your business. Remember to regularly review your connected accounts to make sure everything stays up to date. So, by following these steps, you've streamlined your financial management in FreshBooks, saving time and minimizing errors. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!